Here's the app called InkLab AI tattoo generator. So yeah, you can just tap get to double click to install it. AI tattoo generator. Create AI tattoos. Try virtual tattoos. Text to AI tattoo. Create unlimited tattoo. Upload your sketch. Try tattoos on your skin. It's one of the most popular AI tattoo generator apps right now. There are like hundreds of these AI tattoo apps these days. But yeah, here it is. You can just use it. Test best tattoos on your skin. And it also, this app works with VR. So here you can enable free trial. There is weekly, there is yearly. So free trial only available. Yeah, free trial only is available both on weekly or yearly plans. It's quite good. But then there is also a special offer for you to know if you didn't upgrade for the first time. You can always get some nicer deal, which is $20 per year. And then you can just generate a tattoo, create your style, and then you need to watch an ad to get that. So it's not exactly a free app. So that's basically the idea. And then, yeah, that's what you're having. You can also then just use try on, where you can upload sketch and try it on. And that's basically the idea in here. So yeah, kind of people like this app because it's kind of partly free and it's super easy to use and try it out. So that's the idea.